Are you looking for the best beard growth oils in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best beard growth oils that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. FULLIGHT Tech Beard Kit for Men. The beard growth oil comes in a complete set so that you don't have to buy anything extra. This does not include any harsh ingredients, making it safe to use. Moreover, the product is also free from additives and it makes sure there will be superior performance. It makes sure there will be a happy beard, and it includes a convenient storage bag. Furthermore, it includes shea butter, jojoba oil, and argan oil so that there will be a moisturizing effect. You will also find shampoo, balm, scissors, hairbrush, and comb. Additionally, it includes an ebook and can be a perfect gift for any man. At number 4. Beard Farmer Beard Growth Oil. Infused with all natural oils, this one is safe to use. The beard growth oil is perfect for all types of beards, and it includes aloe so that there will be a soothing performance. Moreover, you will also find cypress, avocado, sage, thyme. You can have an amazing feel due to lavender, rosemary, and peppermint. Additionally, this is available in a pack of 2 fluid ounces and comes from a popular brand. It has a neutral scent due to the non-volatile ingredients. Furthermore, this helps to moisturize and condition your beard and can reduce split ends, bristle, and breakage. It delivers a remarkable performance so that there will be a shinier and manageable beard. At number 3. Isner Mile Beard Kit for Men. To make sure there will be value for money, this one is available in a complete set. This makes an ideal gift for any man and is a perfect grooming kit. Furthermore, the beard growth oil lets you use it safely as it is free from additives. Moreover, this includes premium quality ingredients so that there will be a silky soft beard. It helps to keep the skin and beard hydrated and lets you use it for all types of beards. Additionally, the product is unscented and makes sure there will be great results. It has organic ingredients and lets you have easy grooming. At number 2. Pop MODERN.C Beard Growth Oil. If you are looking to boost your beard growth, then this can be the right one for you. The beard growth oil will let you have a long, thick, and masculine beard. Moreover, it comes with potent ingredients so that there will be effective results. Additionally, it has natural plant extracts that help to activate the sleeping hair follicles. It provides a manageable beard and is suitable for all types of skin. The product comes in a size of 30 milliliters and can repair damaged hair follicles. Furthermore, this includes Polygonum multiflorum that improves blood circulation. It supplies vitamins and nutrients to your beard. At number 1. YOLO Beard Growth Oil. This one comes in a pack of 30 milliliters and it unscented. The beard growth oil is suitable for all types of beards and makes sure there will be a cool look. Moreover, it lets you achieve a perfect beard and ensures there will be gentle performance. Additionally, this has natural ingredients and is a vegan product. This is a cruelty-free and paraben-free product and makes a perfect gift for your ideal man. Furthermore, this helps to solve the problems of itchy skin and frizzy hair. With this, you can have an easy and natural way of having a smooth and healthy beard. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.